just came into my office, it is Jomo. He now comes in a travel size so you can take him on your adventures. It's a 6-pack and a 7-pack.
Just like your abs?
Just like my abs. Want to see? But look his mouth. He's excited to be and ready to travel the world with you.
Can you make that face?
He will give you this face every time you look at him. He will never disappoint you.
Can you show us that
Isn't he just kind of cute?
Show us the face.
Isn't he just kind of cute?
In the polka dot bikini.
Then, you know what you gotta do? You know? Every time you go somewhere, he loves to get things. So you gotta get him something, and then you gotta put it on him, and then you gotta bring it back, and everyone will be like, your thing is so cute. One time, just let me give you a warning. One time, a girl said, that just looks like a brown turd.
You're
so
done.
not so many people who think it looks like a brown turd, okay?